I'm in the Chevy Malibu 2017, and if your cigarette lighter that's under the front dashboard underneath the air conditioning controls isn't working, the fuse for it is located on the driver's side underneath the air conditioning vent under this panel here. And you can't get this panel off very easy if you're trying to use your fingernails, but if you had something like a key or a knife, I'm just going to stick a knife blade in here. You just poke in here just a little bit. It only takes a little bit of pressure to pull it back. The fuse itself is this 20 amp fuse right here in the bottom lower left of the fuse block. The spare fuses for this are located in the engine compartment. If you go around to the engine compartment, there's a fuse block right here in the engine compartment on the driver's side. You pull up on the tabs that are located on the sides of this panel, and the whole thing just lifts off. And here's the fuse puller tool, so you can just pull that out. And it's got 20 amp fuse. It's a mini fuse. It's this fuse here is your spare in this little block of 6 fuses here. There's a 5, a 7.5, a 10, a 15, a 20, and a 25 in this little block, and also a 30 here. So you just pull the 20 amp fuse out with the tool, and you can see there's no metal tabs in there that the fuse goes into, so you can tell this is a spare fuse. Take the fuse and put it in the fuse block here. You just reach in there and pull the fuse out, the dead one, and you stick the new fuse in and slightly cock the tool to the side, and then that should get your fuse replacement for the cigarette lighter underneath the center of the dash going. And about 90% of the time, 99% of the time, that should get you going again. If your charger is not working, you can try it in another car just to see if it's also the charger. It could be a bad charger, but more than likely it's that fuse that's blown if your charger works in another car. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I'll catch you on the next video.